Good evening, I'm Denise White.
And I'm Mark Wilson. Thanks for joining us. First on Fox right now at 5. She shot her own kids. Hard to believe anybody could do that, especially a mother. So she was sane when she pulled the trigger. Or was she? Fox 13's Gloria Gomez says the answer tonight could determine Julie Schenecker's fate. Gloria.
Well, Schenecker's defense team says she was insane at the time of the murders, but the prosecution says no way. She knew exactly what she was doing. Now some doctors will have their say. With a large orange gel jacket hanging over her shoulders, Julie Schenecker, the mother accused of killing her 2 teenage children, calmly walked into the courtroom. Her parents quietly watched from the courtroom gallery.
At the request of the state, 3 doctors.
Schenecker sat stone-faced as the judge assigned 3 mental health experts to evaluate her, a process that will take months. The state attorney's office tells Fox 13 they want to know if Schenecker was sane at the time of the crime. Former prosecutor Anthony Rickman says Schenecker will rely on the insanity defense.
They're not saying that Ms. Schenecker didn't murder her 2 children. What they're saying is that at the time of these actions, she suffered from a mental defect or a mental illness that prevented her from 1, knowing what she was doing and the consequences of what she was doing, or 2, understanding the difference between right and wrong.
But prosecutors claim she knew exactly what she was doing the day of the murders. They say she shot and killed her 16-year-old daughter, Calyx, and 13-year-old son, Bo, because they were being, quote, too mouthy. Investigators discovered a note she wrote days before the murders, blasting Florida's gun law, requiring a 3-day waiting period for delaying, quote, the massacre of her children.
This, again, goes to the premeditated state of mind of Ms. Schenecker, that she had the intent to buy a weapon. She wanted that weapon as soon as possible, and the moment she got that weapon, she used it to kill her 2 children.
The last time the insanity defense was successful in Hillsborough County was back in 1990. Schenecker's defense team will try to change that. Now, Mark, even if these doctors conclude that Schenecker was insane at the time of the murders, this will still go to a jury trial, and then the jury will have to decide if she was insane at the time of the murders. Back to you.
Yeah, and apparently they're asking for some video. I assume that's surveillance video. What's that about?
It is. It's after she was arrested, she was taken to a local hospital. Well, there's surveillance video of her talking to her attorney at the time. And of course, the prosecution says we want that video.
Gloria, thanks.